Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda Civic fuel tank. Pull the release lever inside, step out, open the fuel door, and twist the cap counterclockwise to remove. If your Civic uses a locking cap, use the key or keyless tab to unlock first. Keep the cap in its holder while fueling, then tighten firmly until you hear clicks to confirm a proper seal and avoid the check engine light. When the cap is locked, first unlock the doors or use the key to release the fuel lock, then gently twist the cap. Steady pressure works better than jerking, which can damage threads or the cap. If it remains stuck, try slightly warming the area or using a cloth for grip, and avoid metal tools that could scratch or deform the cap. Always secure the cap back tightly after refueling. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more viewers find it. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is leak-proof, fits most car cup holders, and makes roadside refuels more pleasant when you need a sip. I keep one in my Civic for convenience, and it's saved me from warm coffee many times. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the release lever or cap can stick due to dirt, corrosion, or a broken cable, so start with a visual inspection and gentle cleaning. If the lever doesn't work, check fuses and look for disconnected cables under the dash. For persistent problems, a mechanic can replace the cable, latch, or cap assembly to restore reliable operation. Regular cleaning and proper tightening can prevent most common fuel door issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.